Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This stunning home is everything you will need in a community where you can experience new possibilities, new journeys, and new relationships. Your home buying made simple, designed with every detail taken into consideration. Modern open concept designed with all the interior features you have been looking for, and in a community that provides a recreation rich lifestyle. Enjoy the breathtaking views of the rolling hills of Blue Mountain and the Jackson. Rustic meets royalty. This home, with just one floor, sits on a large lot with mature fruit trees, areas for cultivating crops enough to be income generating. This home provides natural lighting and is so ready for the next owners. Plenty of room for the whole family to enjoy in this friendly neighborhood. Enjoy the luxury of this bungalow, equipped with air conditioning units in every room, a working generator, security detailing, cameras, and backup water. The possibilities are endless. Schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 135 million or US $877.1 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.